Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope, student, you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 17, and today date is 2nd November 2020. Name of the chapter is Environment Pollution. So, student, take out your book, take one rough copy also, so that you can note down the important points from the board. So let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. Air pollution. So student, in the previous video I explained you what are the reasons, or you can say what are the causes of air pollution. So student, if we discuss about air pollution, then also it is divided in two parts: pollution which is done by the nature, and the pollution which is done by the human activities. So let do fast recapitulation what we have discussed in the previous video. So student, burning of the garbage in the open area. So by burning the garbage, by this lot of harmful gases are produced, due to which the air get polluted. Even we have discussed in chapter number 16 also that burning the garbage in the open is not a safe method, because due to burning lot of smoke is produced. It contains harmful gases which polluted the air. Next thing we have discussed, many vehicles which are running on the road, like bus, car, auto rickshaw, scooter. So how they are moving, from where they are getting the energy, how they are moving? So they are moving due to petrol or diesel. So student, by burning these types of fuels, it produce harmful gases which polluted the air. So due to vehicles also, burning garbage, burning garbage, due to these vehicles, lot of harmful gases are released due to the burning of petrol and diesel. Sometimes student, accidental fire also in the building or in the houses or in the shops or malls, lot of things burn in that due to short circuit. So it also creates lot of smoke is produced by the burning, and this smoke contains harmful gases due to which the air get polluted. Domestic activities also, domestic activities, so in the houses we are burning the coal or wood for making the cooking purpose. So due to this activities also the air is polluted. Okay, lot of smoke is also produced from the industries, or you can say factories. So lot of smoke is also produced from the factories, and this smoke also contain harmful gases which pollute the air. So student, these are some of the reason which we have discussed. Now student, let discuss ways to reduce pollution. So student, this environmental pollution, we have to find out the ways how can we reduce the pollution. That is air pollution also, land pollution also, and water pollution also, to save our planet. Is it clear? Now see student, first point, use of CNG and LPG in vehicles. So student, when petrol or diesel burn, they produce very harmful gases. So, and we know that there are lot of vehicles on the road. In every houses you will see some kind of a vehicle. So to reduce the air pollution due to these vehicles, what can we do? How we reduce air pollution? So student, by the use of CNG, compressed natural gas, LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. So student, by using these gases in the vehicles, it release very less harmful gases. So, and it also be observed that in the metro cities and even in small cities also, now people are using CNG or CNG for the auto rickshaw, car or buses, because CNG is also known as eco-friendly gas. Very less pollution is due to the use of this. So student, if you run your vehicles with the use of CNG or LPG, it reduce the air pollution. It reduce the air pollution. So next point is plants more trees. So student, planting plants more tree, it is very important to understand, because due to the cutting of the trees, lot of problem arises. Cutting of the trees is the reason for land pollution also, water pollution also, and air pollution also. See student, due to lot of cutting of the trees, that we also say deforestation. Cutting of the trees is known as deforestation. So due to this, what happened? There is a problem of soil erosion. Why? Because we know that student, the roots of the plant bind the soil. बहुत मजबूती से रूट्स जो होते हैं प्लांट्स के, वो सॉइल को पकड़ के रखते हैं. ठीक है. इफ द नंबर ऑफ ट्रीज आर वेरी लेस, then the upper layer of the soil is washed away by the wind or by the water, and it creates a situation like soil erosion. So student, we can reduce the environmental pollution, whether it is a land, air or water. We can reduce the environment pollution by planting more and more trees. And student, planting of trees is known as afforestation. ठीक है. Cutting of trees is known as deforestation, and planting of trees is known as afforestation. And even student, next is given air pollution. So student, we must understand the values of the natural resources. present in our planet Earth. Student, our life is not possible without natural resources. We always say that all these things are man-made, but try to understand, student, from where you are getting the raw material for making these types of things. So student, answer is the raw material from which we are making these things are, that is our natural resources. So it is our responsibility, student, that we must save our natural resources. Otherwise, life is not possible. Okay? And planting more and more trees is also very important for us also, student. For example, all the vehicles are running because they are getting energy from the fuel by the burning of the fuel like petrol and diesel. So student, our body is also like a machine. We also need energy to different activities in our life, different activities in our day-to-day life. So student, from where we are getting this energy? We are getting this energy by the food which we are eating. Now student, the question arises, from where we are getting the food? So student, we are getting food from the plants. We are getting food from the plants because plants are the only producers which can prepare their own food, and we human beings, animals, we are directly or indirectly depend upon the plants for our food. Another important thing is that student, why we should plant more and more trees? Because student, our living gas, that is oxygen. So life is not possible without this oxygen gas. So from where we are getting this oxygen, student? We are getting this oxygen from the plants. Plants give us oxygen, which is our living gas. So we must understand this. So it also creates a air pollution. If number of trees are very less, we know that student, plants clean the air. एयर में इतनी हार्मफुल गैसेस मिक्सअप हो जाती हैं, एयर को क्लीन करने का वर्क किसका है? प्लांट्स का है. सो इफ द नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स आर लेस, देन प्रॉब्लम विल इंक्रीज. सो this is our responsibility, student, that we must understand the value of these natural resources. That is the reason, to reduce air pollution, we must plant more and more trees. We must plant more and more trees. Is it clear? And planting of a trees is known as afforestation. ठीक है, नए पेड़ों को लगाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? एफॉरेस्टेशन बोलते हैं. इन द सेम मैनर, जैसे कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज को हमने क्या बोला था? डिफॉरेस्टेशन बोला था. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, land pollution also become less due to planting more and more trees, because soil erosion is due to cutting of the trees, land degradation is also due to cutting of the trees. So to reduce these all environmental pollution, we have to plant more and more trees. Next point, clean the waste. Clean the waste water. अच्छा, clean the waste water. Clean the waste water from homes and factories. From homes and factories. So student, lot of water is waste in our day to day activity, and water from the kitchen, bathroom, that come from the houses through the drain pipes, sewage line, and water which is coming from the factories which contain lot of chemicals. So after that, when we discuss in a water pollution, what we are doing, the waste water which is coming from the houses and also which is coming from the factories, then what we are doing, these water, in the last, this water, waste water, mix up with the river water, and this, in this way, this waste water is polluting the river water also. So student, how can we reduce these types of a water pollution? We can reduce this type of water pollution by first clean the waste from clean the waste water from homes and factory. So what he want to say, that the waste water which is coming from the houses and from the factories, firstly this water should be sent to the water treatment plant, and after that, because in the water treatment plant the wastes are removed from the water, and this water can be reused also, not for drinking purpose or for the cooking purpose, but you can use this water in the cultivation. ठीक है, यू कैन यूज दिस वाटर इन द फील्ड्स एट द टाइम ऑफ ए कल्टीवेशन, मतलब फार्मिंग में, खेती में ये पानी यूज कर सकते हो. और वेयर द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन, कोई बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग ये सब बन रही है, तो यू कैन यूज दिस वाटर देयर आल्सो. सो व्हाट, टू रिड्यूस वाटर पोल्यूशन, द पॉइंट सजेस्टेड इज दैट before entering that waste water directly into the rivers, it should be treated in water treatment plants. Now see student, next is reuse and recycle waste material. Reuse and recycle waste, reuse and recycle waste material. Now see Student, we have already discussed in chapter number 16 also. There are 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle. So by this we should switch off electricity when not in use, and we should buy only what we need, and we should always carry a cloth bag for shopping and avoid using plastic. Is it clear? So in this manner you can save the things. And recycles and reuse, for example, there are the things which are of no use for us, that things are waste material for us. So student, you can reuse that waste material also. Many things which you are buying from the market, okay, so like plastic or glass bottles, you can reuse this plastic or glass bottle to keep the other things in them. So we have already discussed these things in previous chapter also. Now reuse and recycle waste material. जैसे अभी मैंने वाटर का भी आप लोग को बताया कि वाटर ट्रीटमेंट के बाद ये हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर यूजिंग दैट वाटर फॉर agriculture purpose, or you can say cultivation. In cultivation you can use that water, or at the you can use that water where the construction work is going on. Next है shift industries and factories to remote areas. Shift industries and factories. So yes, this is also very good to reduce the pollution. So shift industries and factories to remote areas. See, in that area where the population is very less, ठीक है, जैसे अब देखो सिटीज में देखोगे, मेट्रो सिटीज में देखोगे, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इन दैट एरिया. बहुत ज्यादा फैक्ट्रीज होती हैं, बहुत ज्यादा इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं. देयर इज ड्यू टू दिस लॉट ऑफ pollution they are creating. Air pollution also, land pollution also, and water pollution also. So you can do this thing, you can shift these industries and factories from the cities area to the remote area. In this manner also you can reduce the air pollution. ऐसे भी आप एयर पोल्यूशन को रिड्यूस कर सकते हो. ठीक है, सिटीज एरिया से इंडस्ट्रीज और फैक्ट्रीज को शिफ्ट कर दिया जाए. क्लियर है? टू द रिमोट एरिया. रिलीजियस रिचुअल्स शुड नॉट बी अलाउड इन रिवर्स. सो स्टूडेंट, you can even save water, because we know that water is polluted due to many religious activities also, which I have already discussed with you In Hindu religions, what we do, after the death of any person, we burn the body, and after that, what we do, we immerse. After that, इमर्जन ऑफ द एशेस, मतलब उसके बाद जो उसकी बॉडी जल जाती है, जो ऐश बचती है, उसका विसर्जन हम लोग क्या कर देते हैं, रिवर वाटर में कर देते हैं. एंड इवन वी आर पुटिंग आइडल्स ऑफ द गॉड आल्सो इन द रिवर वाटर. सो वी कैन stop these religious activities so that we can save the river water from, so that the river water is saved from water pollution. Okay, thank you student.